we are shifting our focus to Bengal, where the brutal midnight murder of Shubhendu Adhikari's aide has rocked the political ruffled feathers there. That has triggered a massive political firestorm. The BJP is already calling it a cold-blooded murder and a pre-planned political execution. They are pointing fingers at the TMC. The TMC, on its part, is demanding a CBI investigation. And Bengal once again stands accused of normalizing post-poll violence and also political assassinations. Now, Times Now has accessed the most chilling footage from the crime scene. This video was recorded just moment after Chandranath Rath was ambushed and shot dead. The first thing you see is panic, shattered glass, and a bullet-ridden SUV. And inside that SUV, you see Shubhendu Adhikari's aide's lifeless body, which is seen bleeding profusely after being shot multiple times.
একটু দেখি কাজটা ইয়ে করে ফেলো না মুখটা দেখো একটু বেঁচে আছে কি বেঁচে থাকলে হসপিটালে নিয়ে চলো
হসপিটালে যাও
বেঁচে থাকলে হসপিটালে নিয়ে চলো
মুখটা একবার দেখো না ভিডিও করো মুখটা একবার দেখি দাও না
মুখটা কি আছে
এই ফোনটা দাদা এখানে রাখো
তুমি কোথা থেকে এসছো তুমি টান দাও আরে আমরা আছি তো অসুবিধা নেই আরে মুখটা দেখতে হবে তো তারা তিনজন গুলি করে চলে গেছে সেটা বলতে পারবো না আপনি হসপিটালে যান আগে নিয়ে যান হসপিটালে নিয়ে যান দাদা
আপনার এখানে বেলটা মারো লস হচ্ছে
ওটা যাই না কার গাড়ি
গাড়ি বন্ধ করো
ভেতরে একজন পড়ে আছে যাও আটকে দাও যাও হসপিটাল হসপিটাল যাও
All right, we have a big breaking news coming in. This is another CCTV footage which has emerged, CCTV capturing the movement of the bike viewers which has been used in the firing, that has also been recovered. This is what top sources are telling us. Now remember, this particular bike, as you can see on the screens also, now what we are getting to know from our sources is that the bike was found at a garbage dump. There was a fake number plate also on the same, on the bike, which has also been recovered. That is the latest news coming in. Police has also seized the bike which has been used in the shooting. The killing of Shubhendu Adhikari's close aide. We have top sources revealing to us not only obviously the clincher CCTV footage emerging, but also the police sources telling us that the bike which has been used in the firing, that has been recovered at a garbage dump. The license plate is fake, and also the chassis number, the engine number, all of that has been destroyed. The bike has been seized. Ritita is joining us live on the broadcast. Ritita, give us more details as to what is it that you're picking up from your sources in the police.
Well, absolutely. You see that the police have already revealed out that the bike has been found out from the garbage dump. The plate, the number plate is fake. The chassis number, the engine number, all of this is fake. And at this moment, the visuals that I show you of is the body of Chandranath Rath has been taken out from the hospital, Barashat Medical Hospital, where the post-mortem has taken place. My VJ shows you the visual of his car that has been taken out by Shubhendu Adhikari is following that, and they are taking it to Chandipur at his hometown. He is going to meet his parent, and after which only the body will be cremated today. So that is the latest visuals that we get to you of the body that has been taken out after the post-mortem been conducted out in the Barashat Medical College. Now getting the latest of information about the investigation is concerned, we get to understand that today morning that car was taken into seizure by the police out here of the North Chobbish Pargona. An SIT committee has been already formed, and given to that, now the bike in which the three miscreants had been traveling, that bike has also been found out from a garbage dump area, and we see that the number plate was was dropped into that dump. And the other thing that we get an understanding of that, just like how the car's chassis number and engine number was destroyed, it is the same way this bike's chassis number and the engine number was destroyed, so that no clue into the matter of investigation can be found in this incident. However, given to understanding that this was a complete pre-planned murder because of the recce that has been taking place in that area, how the bike has been standing there for the last half an hour, 40 minutes, exactly on the time Chandranath used to reach his home around 9:30 to 10. That time only this bike was standing there,
Right.
and exactly at 10:20 p.m.
Yeah.
this incident took place, and it was a 20 minutes event in which the entire dreadful incident, this brutal murder took
Absolutely.
place.
And the brutality is shocking. Do stay with us because we will be revealing more details on the same. Viewers Times Now has also accessed chilling visuals that capture the moments before and immediately after one of the most shocking political killings in Bengal in recent times. CCTV footage shows the aide of Mr. Adhikari, that white Scorpio particularly, moving towards the spot where he would soon be ambushed. Let's take a look at these visuals. CCTV basically capturing the white SUV, as you can see on the right side of the screen, just moments before it was blocked by a smaller car and then carried out by a bike-borne assailant. These assailants who killed him using sophisticated firearms.
This is the crime spot that we are currently standing at, where a close aide of Shubhendu Adhikari, who is likely to be the Chief Minister of West Bengal, Chandranath Roth, was shot dead last night. At the point we are getting to understand that about 4 to 5 rounds of bullet had been run on him, after which his body had been bleeding profusely. After that, once he was taken to the hospital at Vivacity nearby to the very area, he was declared to be dead. But however, the details that we are getting is of the weapon that has been used is of an improvised arm or improvised gun that has been used. It can be likely than American Glock, as investigators still continue with their investigation. But here at the crime spot, you can see that the bullet shell is already lying down, and it has been cordoned by the police that has taken over the deployment since last night out here. And this is the exclusive visuals that we bring to you, and you can also understand about this bullet shell that was used, about the kind of weapon that has been used in this crime. This crime is already stated that it might be a politically planned murder that has been taken up front with Chandranath Roth, because recce had been continuing as per allegations that has been raised by the lead of opposition Shubhendu Adhikari on one side, that it was a recce event. It was a fully planned event at one side, and on another side that we get of understanding is the witnesses who have spoken to Times Now exclusively stating that a bike which was boning about 3 miscreants which apparently shot this bullets, hurled this bullets at Chandranath Roth, was waiting for him of about 30 to 40 minutes at this spot, exactly the time Roth enters his residence, which is around 9:30 to 10 a.m. And this incident, the occurrence of this incident took place exactly around 10 p.m. at night, I beg your pardon. And so that is the exclusive visuals of the investigation that we get from here at this point.
We have started. তারা চন্দ্রনাথ রথের এবং এই বেদনাহত মুহূর্তে আমার পাশে দাঁড়িয়েছেন। আমার দল ভারতীয় জনতা পার্টি, তার রাষ্ট্রীয় অধ্যক্ষ নীতিন নবীনজি থেকে কেন্দ্রীয় স্বরাষ্ট্রমন্ত্রী অমিত শাহজি থেকে মাননীয় রাষ্ট্রীয় সংগঠন সাধারণ সম্পাদক বিএল সন্তোষজি থেকে
হোম মিনিস্টার অমিত শাহ
এই গতকাল থেকে অদ্যবধি বারে বারে আমার রথের পরিবারের পাশে দাঁড়িয়েছেন। দলের পক্ষে শ্রমিক ভট্টাচ দাস সহ রাজ্যসভার মেম্বার রাহুল দাস দুপাশে দুজন এমপি আমার সাথে সঙ্গ দিচ্ছেন। একাধিক বিধায়ক, অসংখ্য কার্যকর্তা, এমনকি প্রচুর বারাসাত মধ্যম গ্রামের অন্য রাজনীতির দল করেন, বামফ্রন্টের বিভিন্ন শরীর, তারাও এখানে এসে শ্রদ্ধা জানিয়েছেন, তার ভাইয়ের কাছে সমবেদনা জ্ঞাপন করেছেন, আমার কাছেও এসেছেন, কারণ এটা আমার ব্যক্তিগত লস এবং আমার নিজেকে পরিবারের কাছে,
because this is a personal loss of mine.
আমি যদি বিজেপি বা বিরোধী দলনেতা না হতাম, হয়তো তাকে টার্গেট করতো না। আমি যদি ভবানীপুরে না জিততাম, তাহলে
If I was
হয়তো
not
target
the
করতো।
opposition leader,
এই মানসিক দংশনে
have I not
আমিও
won?
বিদ্ধ।
Have I not won in Bhavanipur, then he would not be targeted.
ওর বিদায়ী আত্মা অমরত্ব প্রার্থনা করুক, স্বর্গধামে বাস হোক এবং ঈশ্বর তাকে কাছে রাখুক।
Now I have only wish
Air Force
that
এর
he gets a better life after
সদস্য
death,
হিসেবে ভারত মাতাকে
and God keeps him close to him. I am giving the member of Bharat Mata back to him as he is the Air Force member.
মহিলাদের ভাড়া করে এনে রেকি করে ঠান্ডা মারা
The Supari killer was hired,
খুঁজে বের
Reiki
করে
had happened, and in a very cold mind setup had he killed Rod.
আইনের মধ্য দিয়ে বিএনএস এর মধ্য দিয়ে
I am urging that
তদন্তকারী
through the way of law, I want this miscreants to be hung.
অন্য যারা সহযোগিতা করছেন তাদের প্রতি আমার আবেদন থাকে।
Everyone who is cooperating with us in this matter, be it police or the DIGs, I have my gratitude towards them.
মোটরসাইকেলটা
আপনাকে ক্ষতিগ্রস্ত করার জন্য এই আপনার মনোবল কি ভাঙা তিনি দাদা
চন্দ্রকান্তের কোনো ক্রিমিনাল ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড নেই, সরাসরি রাজনৈতিক কোনো পরিচয় নেই, কোনোদিন মঞ্চে উঠে বক্তৃতা করে কাউকে আক্রমণ করেছে তার কোনো
Chandra
উদাহরণ
does
নেই।
not have any political identity. He has never got up on the stage to reveal his political identity or give a speech.
হওয়ার জন্য তার মৃত্যু হয়েছে, তাকে মারা হয়েছে।
He was just a personal assistant to the leader of opposition, Shubhendu Adhikari.
আপনি নিজেই বুঝতে পারছেন একটি নিষ্পাপ তরুণ এক সার্ভিসম্যানকে খুন করা হলো
কাটিয়ে বেরো, তোমার গাড়িটা ধরা
কেবলমাত্র বিজেপির শুভেন্দু অধিকারীর সহায়ক বলে। আর শুভেন্দু অধিকারী
This is only done.
মমতা ব্যানার্জিকে হারিয়েছে।
আপনার মনোবলকে ভাঙার জন্য
আমি সাথেই তো ছিলাম, এবার সাথে ছিলাম। আমি ওর বাড়িতে আমি যাবো, মা আমাদের দলের নেত্রী। পুরো মেদিনীপুরের সমস্ত এমপিএম আমার সঙ্গে আমার যে দায়িত্ব কর্তব্য তার কন্যা সন্তান তার স্ত্রীকে দেখা এবং সর্বোচ্চ
But the duty that I need to do.
অতি দ্রুত এই খুনিদের গ্রেপ্তার করে চার্জশিটেড করে যাতে তারা ক্যাপিটাল
All right, my colleague Ridhita is joining us live on the broadcast. Ridhita, if you could just translate for us and take us through some of the key takeaways. Shubhendu, obviously talking about the murder of his close aide. What did he exactly say? Some takeaways from the same, please.
Well, absolutely. We just heard Shubhendu Adhikari, who was present during the post-mortem here at the Barashat Medical College. He just spoke to the press exclusive just now, and he says that legal actions will be taken, and this was a pre-planned cold-blooded murder. Recce was done into this event. Very suitably, people were hired. Supari killers were hired to kill Chandra. Chandra never had a political identity. He was only a representative of the leader of opposition, Shubhendu Adhikari, and he also goes on to saying that if he had not contested in Bhavanipur, then probably Chandra's life could have been saved. He would not have been targeted this way. There would not have been a conspiracy to kill him this way. And he also goes on to narrating about how calmly this entire incident, he thinks, has been planned by the opposition party. He says that it was hired, killers were hired, but there were also Reikis, bikes were also hired, and all of these arrangements were done in a period of few days just after his winning that has taken place in West Bengal, and amidst that time only Chandra was just killed. He also goes on to saying that it is not about Bharatiya Janata Party. Definitely the top brass of the Bharatiya Janata Party has shown their solidarity and is staying strong along the side of Shubhendu Adhikari and Chandranath Roth's family. He says even Home Minister is giving them the biggest support. He's staying as the biggest support bank for Shubhendu Adhikari at this point. But he also goes on to saying that people preaching other ideological parties or belonging from different political identities here in Barasat Moddamgram area have also come out and given their solidarity. He also goes on to saying about the CPIM party
Absolutely.
leaders.
Very strong statement coming in. Shubhendu Adhikari also demanding death penalty for the killers. Thank you for joining us with all these updates. We slip into a short commercial break. News and updates on the other side. Please don't go anywhere.